बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम।
अल्लाह के नाम से शुरू जो निहायत मेहरबान रहम वाला।
Pakistan can be defined as a country full of strength, a country which is blessed with many things. You can look around and could find each and every bit of resource in Pakistan. You can look at the army, it is the best. You can look at the natural resources, they are in huge number. You can look at the rivers, the waterfalls, each and everything, they are hefty in amount. So why we are suffering? Why we are suffering from inflation? Why we are suffering from different problems? What are the causes? Why our nation has to suffer? Why we have to suffer? This is the question.
4 गुना 6 गुना ज्यादा हो गया महंगाई।
अच्छा, आपके ख्याल से गवर्नमेंट कोई इकदाम कर रही है महंगाई को रोकने के लिए?
बिल्कुल नहीं कर रही, बिल्कुल भी नहीं कर रही। गवर्नमेंट करती क्या है यहाँ पर? वो अपने सिर्फ पेट भरती है, लोगों को कुछ नहीं देती।
कीमतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं, मतलब वो जो खाने की कीमतें हैं, तेल की, पेट्रोल की, ये जो CNG की कीमतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं।
सब चीज़ों की कीमत बढ़ती जा रही है और गरीब आवाम जो है पीछे जा रही है। तनख्वाहें सरकारी महकमे जो है उनकी तनख्वाहें बढ़ती हैं, और गरीब का किसी ने पूछना ही नहीं है, जो जिसमें लगा है उसी में लगा। हुकूमत ने इस चीज की लिया ही नहीं इंटरव्यू कि गरीबों को क्या दे रहे हो, ताकि तुम क्या दे रहे हो गरीबों को। और रज को खा रहे हैं आप, पेट भर जाता है उनका, दूसरा भूखा है तो उनको क्या लगी किसी के साथ।
ये मौजूदा हुकूमत का तो ये भी एक मोटा था ना कि रोटी कपड़ा और मकान,
ये कहते थे रोटी और कपड़ा और मकान देंगे, और ये गरीबों से मकान भी छीन लिया, कपड़ा भी छीन लिया, ये बिल्कुल नंगे कर दिए।
In order to know about different point of views of people and what they are thinking about the inflation, the problem which the country is facing, which has become a social issue for Pakistan right now, we have visited different universities in order to get the point of view of the young generation, that what they are looking forward to and what are the steps they are thinking in their mind in order to resolve this problem, or what are they up to, or what are they looking in their government in order.
Do you think the government is taking any steps to reduce the inflation or to control this problem?
As a civilian, my point of view, government is not taking yet an authentic step to eradicate this from our side.
And what do you think, who is to step up and to control this problem?
First of all, we should accountability ourselves. When we are going to account ourselves, then we can easily reform the world.
Visited different markets, different petrol pumps, and we have visited different areas in order to know about inflation, that what the people have to do and have to say about inflation, what are their point of views. We have visited to a layman along with the people who are suffering from inflation right now. What they think in their mind, and what in their point of view the government is taking any steps or not. Let's go and find out. We have visited.
महंगाई दिन ब दिन बढ़ती जा रही है, इसका कौन जिम्मेदार है?
हुकूमत जिम्मेदार है, हुकूमत जिम्मेदार है, नहीं बढ़ती महंगाई की है।
तो इसको कैसे कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं?
इसको कंट्रोल करना हुकूमत के बस से बाहर है, क्योंकि हुकूमत में खुद एकापन नहीं है। अगर उनमें एकापन हो, इकट्ठापन हो, वो आवाम का सोचे तो ये कंट्रोल में हो सकती है। नहीं तो ये गरीब इंसान खुदकुशी कर सकता है, क्योंकि ना आटे का थैला देख लो कहाँ चला गया है, 565 रुपये का होगा। जिस गरीब की दिहाड़ी 250 रुपये, वो आटा कहाँ से खाएगा, घी कहाँ से खरीद के खाएगा 170 रुपये? इसके जिम्मेदार कौन है? हुकूमत आपस में लड़ती जा रही है। कभी पेट्रोल महंगा हो गया, ये महंगा हो गया, ये महंगा हो, कभी हुकूमत ने ये नहीं सोचा कि चीनी 75 रुपये किलो क्यों हो गई है, कभी ये नहीं सोचा घी 175 रुपये किलो क्यों हो गया। क्यों? इसके बारे में कोई सोचता ही नहीं है।
क्योंकि ज़्यादातर मिलें चीनी की तो इनकी अपनी है हुकूमत की, वो खुद महंगी करती जा रही है। अच्छा, अगर महंगाई कंट्रोल नहीं होती तो अब पाकिस्तान का फ्यूचर क्या होगा?
अमेरिका की गुलामी होगा, और क्या होगा? कुछ भी नहीं होना इस मुल्क में। कोई किसी के बारे में सोच ही नहीं रहा, सबको अपनी अपनी पड़ी हुई है। हमारे अकाउंट की तरह, हमारे अकाउंट की तरह गरीब मारता जा रहा है। आज चीज़ें सस्ती हो, एक चीज़ साबुन लाख से है, वो एक 40 रुपये का, उसके ऊपर कीमत 33 रुपये लगी हुई है। 34 का मार्केट से मिलना चाहिए, 35 का बिकना चाहिए। मार्केट से 39 का मिलता है, लिखा ऊपर 33 रुपये है। दुकानदार वहाँ क्या करे? उसे तो अपनी मजबूरी की खातर ला के बेचना है ना। इन बड़े दुकानदारों को पकड़ने के लिए कोई नहीं है। क्यों? कि वो कोई ध्यान ही नहीं देता इस तरह। कोई ध्यान दे तो मुल्क के हालात ना बेहतर हो जाए।
तो कंट्रोल करने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं?
कुछ नहीं, वो खुदकशी कर सकता है बस, और उसके पास कोई हल नहीं है।
Pakistan is a strategic stronghold, it's an agricultural economy, and it has a flourishing port. Yet up to 77 million people over here live under poverty and struggle to earn their daily bread. According to a study conducted by Oxfam, the jump from 60 to 77 million under poverty has come because of inflation in food items. As it is, Pakistan's poverty is the cause for concern, with the country being ranked at 134 out of 177 countries on the Human Development Index, with food, clothing and shelter being a luxury for many. At least 40 million school-age children are not able to afford education, while if you walk into a low-income settlement, Even having a pair of shoes is a luxury.
घर का गुजारा भी नहीं होता है। अभी 1 किलो आटा लगा, घर का 6 बच्चा है, कैसे गुजारा होगा हम लोग का? कपड़ा लत्ता, ईद में हम लोग कपड़ा नहीं बनाने सका इस दफा। जब बिजली का बिल भी ऐसा हुआ आश्रम में लोग का, अभी 2 महीना से बिजली का बिल भी नहीं भर सका।
In order to know what the actual problem is and why we are facing inflation, we have visited to different experts so that we can get the point of view that what they think about inflation, where the actual problem is, and
inflation is something the increasing prices of goods and services, that is called inflation, or in simple words in Urdu we also call it महंगाई. One of the reasons is that your economy is not progressing according to the required speed, required pace. And the second thing is that any government decides to devalue its currency. Remember one thing, that when Pakistan came into being, parity between dollar and rupee was 2.5 rupees for a dollar, and now we are paying 85 rupees for a dollar. So you can imagine that have we progressed, or we have traveled, or our journey was downward. So this is one of the reasons that in our country inflation is because of the policies of the government. In my view, any step or announcement which many governments has announced, those steps has not been taken in its true spirit. As a result, those I can say is nothing but lip service, and no concrete steps had been taken to control the inflation. To you comparison, in India this is 13%, China 5%, Sri Lanka 4.8%, Bangladesh 7.3%, and in Pakistan it is 15%. You can imagine well that what's happening in the region where we have the highest inflation in this region. And similarly, you can see the growth rate, GDP growth rate, and now see the difference. It is because of the inflation. India has 10.40% growth rate, China 10.30%, Sri Lanka 9.10%, Bangladesh 6.01%, while Pakistan has only 3.80%. So we are the lowest in this region because of inflation. And similarly, interest rate, which is also one of the determinant to, for the development of economy in any country. India has 6.5% interest rate, China has 6.3%, Sri Lanka has 9%, Bangladesh 11%, and Pakistan has the highest interest rate in Pakistan, which is 14.01%. So for example, if somebody is getting a loan from the government in Pakistan, that investor will have to pay 14.01% interest rate, while in India it is only 6.50% rate. So definitely their economy will grow, our economy cannot grow. So it affects the whole economy. I will quote the one recite from Holy Quran, وَلَيْسَ لِلْإِنسَانَ إِلَّا مَا سَعَى. Nobody can obtain anything except he strives for something or make any effort for something. We as a nation are not taking any kind of effort.
He has compared the economy of Pakistan and the condition of Pakistan with different countries so that it could give you a view where Pakistan is standing right now and what are the problems Pakistan is facing in economy, in inflation, and what is the possible outcome. Or to conclude it up, one can say yes, inflation is Pakistan's biggest social issue and we are suffering from it. But someone has to take the initiative, and that someone is we. we as individuals have to step up and take the initiative. Along with the government, should make good policies so that Pakistan could come up from this problem and we can resolve this social issue as soon as possible. To